Hey there. I just wanted to make a quick video because I feel like a lot of people don't know where to start in their coding journey about what programming language they should pick. Personally, in my experience, I did a ton of C. So there's different levels to programming languages. There's lower level and higher level. So lower level programming languages um, translates everything at a much faster rate as well compared to Python and higher level like Java languages. It's a lot easier to code in them, but eventually everything gets transferred back down to binary, which is zeros and ones. Every coding language is going to send it back down, and that's how the machine interprets it. So with like C programming, which is my favorite, you could have to manage memory on your own. So like when you're making an array of something, you actually have to like malloc, realloc, and free the memory. So this is like you have to define the memory, you have to let it go when you're not using it, and then you can actually pull it back in to reallocate that memory if you do need it in the future. So like one example about like different programming languages I want to go over is like bubble sort. So like with C, bubble sort is defined here. This is a recursive approach, but the syntax for everything is defined a bit different. So in C++ here, um, you have to define the integer I equals 0. You have a colon and all this, the technical coding syntax. And then with Python, if you come over here, it's like for j in range. So it is a little bit different in the way that you approach a problem, but once you understand the fundamental concepts, everything ties together. It's kind of the same thought process, and it's not a huge variation. It's kind of like speaking like English to Spanish. Like you want to try to say something, but like in Spanish, you don't form sentences exactly the same way as you do in English. So it's a fun problem to kind of wrap your head around. And then just to end this real quick, this is a bubble sort in assembly. So assembly is really easy for machines to interpret and humans to interpret instead of typing out ones and zeros. So it makes machines run efficiently, quickly, and smoothly, but it is a bit of a learning curve to learn this language. I remember I had to do one of these in college, and it was a nightmare. So don't get frustrated by any means, but this is how you do the same bubble sort in assembly. And as you can see, it's like a foreign language. It's almost like hieroglyphs. But to me, I think Python is probably the best language to start with. And then once you get comfortable with that, move over to C and then expand your horizons. There's no perfect place to start, but I did a lot of work in Python in my last position, and I wasn't expecting that because I'm about memory management. But there's flaws and upsides to whatever language you choose. So just learning one and understanding it will help you adapt to anything else that you learn. So hope that was useful. Hope you enjoy learning this. And if you want me to get more in depth, let me know. And happy coding. Take care.